I'm not supposed to be dead. If anything, I'm supposed to be injured. They want my time to die.
Fred up, my name Junebug though.
Get out this camera.
Pitbulls, I got 0 friends.
Look at these horses here too.
Nah, I didn't see that horse.
That hole right there.
It was one horse. It was sitting way over here. Ain't no church no more.
What church? Oh.
Church? Nigga, church.
Yo, I forgot there was a church right there.
I'm going to that church all the way up.
I wasn't meant for that church to be right there.
Boy.
Why you walking on
It was time for the Backstreet to go, I guess.
Man, look at that church.
No, he was sending us a message, nigga.
Come on, toe up, bro. Look at my street.
This ain't all.
Hold them mud on down, man, for real.
Whoa.
Look at what?
Oh, that horse back here.
What horse? Oh shoot. I ain't gonna look at that horse.
I got time to jail. I'm about to run.
Yeah.
Damn, Tiana, slow and walking fast as fuck.
I'm finna record now.
Thought you would.
I found me a picture.
I hope that, huh? It didn't take every house, because if it did, I'd been thrown too. No. It's gone, but it's not gonna complete. I should have kept the battery low. I mean the light low, but it's right about to die already. Tiffany and them have to gone. Look at all this. Yeah. I'm sure so I can't get out of there. And you can see all the way through GP.
So what?
We had to walk all the way. And we lucky they got the dang wood and trees out the street, because we've been walking there. Well, when I get to the Plaza Road, when I get to her. Yeah, no, it was right there. They moved it right there. CGP too. Then what you call it, grandma? I mean, AT. They put AT. No, we had to go all the way up through there. We had to go all the way up through there just to get past here. I ain't going up there yet. I'm going to see my grandma's house. I'm supposed to stop recording. Take some pictures. That meant, no. Who else that is?
Hey, look at your grandma, bro.
I know. It don't even look like it. The fence and everything gone. Please don't die on me. Please don't die. Look, bro, you can see straight at GP. You can see squat, none of that. I ain't know that big either.
I can honestly say I ain't even know it right there.
Boy.
Not all that. I ain't never been to GP, nigga.
No? Man, that's so messed up, dog. That big old house ain't nothing left but that part. Look at this fence all the way up on this tree. It wrapped around it too. My hood gone. My childhood gone. Everything.
Wait till I get out here with mama and them, man. I bet she crying.
I bet. You know she crying. Look at it. Look.
Hey, somebody dry got slung outside.
Oh, crap. Yep. When I tell you ain't nothing down here, this way, ain't nothing down this way.
But it did come off all day.
That ain't grandma's car. Grandma's car still in the yard. You know that Hazel house.
But
Glad
the
she went
tornado
in.
threw they car on oh,
Yeah.
that's how she died, right? Cause the car landed
The
on
car
her.
landed on her.
Oh, man. Look at my boy. My boy crib is gone, man.
Completely. Okay, I'm gonna start recording to get some juice, cause